Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clear Elementor cache. This is an essential maintenance task that helps resolve display issues, ensures your latest design changes appear correctly, and keeps your Elementor editor running smoothly. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu. This is where all your main WordPress tools and plugins are located. From here, hover over Elementor and then click on Tools. This will take you to Elementor's System Settings area, where you can perform various maintenance and optimization tasks. You should now see the Tools page open up. By default, you'll be on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Take a moment to scan through the options here. You're looking for a section labeled Elementor Cache. This is the central location for clearing out any stored files or data that might be causing conflicts or preventing your latest changes from displaying properly. Once you've located the Elementor cache section, you'll see a button that says Clear Files and Data. Go ahead and click this button. This action removes all cached files that Elementor has stored, including CSS files, JavaScript, and other temporary data. After clicking, you'll need to wait a moment while the system processes this request. Keep an eye out for a green checkmark to appear on your screen. This visual confirmation lets you know that the cache has been successfully cleared and you can move forward. Now that the cache is cleared, there's one more important step to ensure everything is fully refreshed. Look for the option labeled Sync Library and click on it. This function refreshes all of Elementor's templates and assets, making sure you have access to the latest versions of any pre-made designs or blocks you might be using. It essentially resyncs your local Elementor installation with Elementor's cloud library. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures all the actions you just performed are properly recorded and applied to your website. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your Elementor cache and synced your library, which should resolve most display issues and keep your editor functioning at its best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.